I just wanted to do a quick note to kind of let you know that you're probably getting the right answer for 45 and everything involving a related acute angle of 45. So if we're trying to fill in our unit circle, we know that the x part is going to be cos of theta or cos of 45. And when I look at my special triangle here, I know that cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, so a 1 over root 2. Now, I think a lot of people think that they're getting the wrong answer because the textbook is, the note is giving you a root 2 over 2. So you are actually correct. If you left it like this, I would give you full marks. In grade 12, your teacher will want you to write it as root 2 over 2. This is something called rationalizing. So we don't like it when there is a square root in the denominator of a fraction. So what we're going to do is multiply by 1, which we're allowed to do. So we're going to multiply by root 2 over root 2. Now what this does is when we do numerator times numerator, we get the root 2, and then denominator times denominator, we get root 4, which is just 2. So I will accept either answer. I will accept the 1 over root 2. If you're worried and you want to double check your answers, you could attempt to rationalize it and get this. If the rationalizing is still confusing you, feel free to ask me for help, or you could just type it into your calculator. So if you get 1 over root 2 in your calculator and you do root 2 over 2 in your calculator and you get the same answer, you're good to go.